Now friends, chapter number 2 polynomials, it's exercise 2.4. It's question number 3. If the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a and a plus b, find a and b. Here, for the given polynomial, here friends, for the given polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1, we compare it with the given polynomial is this, so we compare the given polynomial this, compare it with, we take here standard form. Standard form ax cube plus capital Bx square plus capital Cx plus capital D. Why we take here capital coefficient? Because in the sum we have to find a and b, the small a and b, and in standard form small a, तो दोनों जगह ए मिक्स हो जाएगा, इसकी वजह से हमने इसको कैपिटल ए लिया है. कंपेयर इट विथ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So we can write the given polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 compare with standard form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. A is equal 1, capital B is equal minus 3, capital C is equal 1 and capital D is equal also 1. Now friends, here is given 3 zeros. Here is the cubic polynomial, so its zeros are given. So अगर हम इसके zeros are, suppose zeros are alpha, beta and gamma, so we do sum of the zeros. वैसे sum of the zeros का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Sum of zero उसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? minus b by. So we use this formula here alpha plus beta plus gamma. Suppose zeros are alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha is equal a minus b, beta is equal small a and gamma is equal a plus b. Once again friends, understand it. This cubic polynomial compare with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So we get a is equal 1, b is equal minus 3, c is equal 1 and d is equal 1. Here suppose zeros are for standard form alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha is equal a minus b, beta is equal small a and gamma is equal small a plus small b. Now sum of zero, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal, formula of friends minus b by, because we take here capital ABC. So इसमें हम लिखेंगे capital B upon capital A. What is alpha? A minus b. What is beta friends? A. And what is gamma? A plus b minus. What is the value of b? Minus. एक फॉर्मूला का माइनस, b की जगह पे फिर minus 3. In place of a we substitute 1. Here plus b minus b cut, a plus a plus a 3a. is equal 3. So A is equal negative positive 3. A is equal 3. This 3 we take in denominator. So we got the value of A is equal 1. So first value we get here, A is equal 1. Now for B. Product of zeros is equal minus d by this is a cubic polynomial, so its product of 0 is minus d by. Once again, sum of the 0 minus d by, product of zeros minus d by, and वो दूसरा फॉर्मूला अल्फा बीटा प्लस बीटा gamma alpha is equal c by. सीक्वेंस में याद रखेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. सम ऑफ 0 minus b by sum of multiplication of two zeros are c by, and product of zeros is minus d by. So here we use the formula product of 0 alpha into beta into gamma is equal minus d minus capital D upon capital. Here we write minus D and minus capital. Why we take capital here? I explain here. Because here is given small a in the zeros. Alpha's value is a minus d, beta's value is a, and gamma's value is a plus b minus d की जगह पे हम a लिखेंगे. We write here 1 और इसकी जगह पे 1. So here a as it is, a minus 3a plus b, what we write? A square minus b square is equal minus 1. Now friends, the value of a we find here. So we substitute 1 here. A is equal 1. So 1 into 1 square minus b square is equal minus 1. A 1 का कोई मतलब नहीं रहेगा. So 1 square 1 minus b square is equal minus 1. Now friends, this is a small equation. 1 as it is. This one we take this side, it became plus. This square we take that side, it became also plus. 1 plus 1 क्या होगा friends? 1 plus 1 2, so b square is equal to 2. Now I write once again b square is equal to square root of 2 is not possible, so we take square root both sides. स्क्वायर से रूट कर 2 का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, 2 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, उसका स्क्वायर रूट नहीं निकलता है. स्क्वायर से रूट कर, बट हियर वी हैव टू राइट प्लस और माइनस. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ b इज अंडर रूट प्लस और माइनस. हेंस हियर प्लस द value of a is equal 1 and b is equal plus or minus. तो हमको इसको ऐसे सॉल्व करना है फ्रेंड्स. इट्स वेरी इजी एंड वेरी सिंपल सम. थैंक यू वेरी मच.